See, this is the part you've been waiting for. You want to see me bite this thing, right? Almost near possible to hold because it's such a massive sandwich. And look at this. Look at this sandwich. I'm going in. I'm going in. This thing got 2 beef dogs. It got a pound of fries. It got sauteed onions. And it has cheese, mustard, and ketchup. Wait a minute. Okay, first you want to start off with about 2 tablespoons of oil. You add your onions and peppers. Add your salt. Crack your pepper. Okay, while that's cooking, you want to cook your dogs. We got all beef dogs, ballpark. Go ahead and get them started. This is about how you want them to look. Color all the way around. See that? Okay, so the fries are ready. You can fry them or bake them, whatever your preference. But let me get to this bread right here. First thing you want to do is you want to half it. Just find out what the half mark is. Put that bread in half. See how it looks on the bottom? It's a nice large piece of sub roll. And it's perfect for making Italian hot dogs or Italian cheeseburgers. Okay, let me show you how to assemble this sandwich. I already have sauteed peppers and onions. We got 4 all beef dogs. We got Golden's mustard, Heinz ketchup. I got a French roll. I toasted it in the oven for about 5 minutes. And then we have some crinkle cut French fries. And we have some sharp cheddar cheese. All of this completes the Italian hot dog. Open up your French or Italian roll. Okay. Now, you want to add a generously amount of this golden mustard, okay? That's the first layer. Then you add your cheese. Alright, see that? You go in with the peppers and onions. Gotta love the peppers and onions. 2 dogs. Okay. You put a little ketchup at the bottom. Then you add your fries. Look, don't be skates with the fries, people. Pile those fries on like that. See that? And somehow you want to get this sandwich to mush a little bit. Yeah. Put a little pressure on it like that. And you end up with this. And then you add more ketchup. And there you have it. Going in again. You see them dogs down there? Look. Listen to me. This sandwich is not for the faint heart. You can't be no wimp and eat this sandwich. Make sure you watch one of these other videos so you can enjoy some of this good food I'll be cooking. Smash the like button, subscribe to Curtis Roundtree TV, leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking, and share this video with your friends so they can enjoy some of this good food too. Lord have mercy. I forgot what I did with my napkin. My God. Mm.